Hi, welcome to my channel. So some of you wrote in asking if I could make a tutorial for a very simple, quick vanilla cake, and I said yes I can. So here we are. Here's an easy recipe, no fuss, even decorating it is easy. You don't have to be a baker to do this. Here's how you do it. So I started by adding 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour into a bowl and 2 cups of caster sugar. Mine's flavored with vanilla. To that I added baking powder and bicarb. The recipe ingredient list is in the description box below. I added 2 eggs, some vegetable oil, a little milk, well, a cup of milk, followed by a cup of water, just regular water. Feel free to use juice in place. And with the help of my trusted Sir Mix-a-Lot, that's my Kenwood's name, my K-Mix's name, I then mixed it. You can use a wooden spoon by all means. And once it's well mixed and there's no lumps, you want to then transfer it to an already greased tin, because it's me, I do this last minute. Tap it a few times on the counter and bake it at 180 degrees for about 30 to 35 minutes. It's so soft and spongy. Now I'm going to show you how to make the frosting. I broke some white Belgian chocolate, and to that I added some hot cream. You want to heat the cream until it just starts to bubble and then take it off the heat. Don't overheat it. Definitely don't forget it on the fire. And then just mix until all the chocolate's melted. You then want to cover it with some cling film and put it in the fridge. The cling film helps make sure that there's no skin that forms on top. So once it's set, I left it overnight in the fridge. Once it's set, you want to then put it in a mixer again. You can use a hand whisk if you've got some good old muscles, which I don't have, unfortunately. I really need to get training. So you want to mix until it all comes together and forms soft peaks. And then just ice your cake. Don't worry, you don't need to be all perfect. Now I'm going to make a glaze. I used some jam my mom gave me, she'd made for me. I just added water and brought it to a boil. Simple. Then you want to arrange some fruit. Use any fruit that you can find. You can even use canned fruit. I'm using canned fruit mixed with fresh fruit. Feel free to use mangoes, strawberries, whatever you have on hand. Because I know some places berries are really, really expensive. So you don't necessarily have to use the same things I'm using. You can be creative. Just try and get different fruits and have different color in there. I love to add mint as well. The pop of green just makes everything just jump out at you. It looks super, super pretty. Now I'd passed my jam mixture through a sieve, just to remove any hard bits. And you want to then brush this onto your fruit. You can also brush it onto the mint leaves. And that's it. The cake is super soft and it doesn't taste like, I don't know, there's some fake tasting cakes out there. It tastes like a really good regular cake. Love it, and it's soft. Can you see how soft it is? It's like springing back. Oh, that's how cake should be. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to hit subscribe, and as always, happy cooking! Or shall we say baking? Alright, happy baking!